Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to browse Home Depot as a source and talk to you guys about it. Keep in mind, I don't have a whole lot of experience with Home Depot. It is the source that I started off because when I started dropshipping, I was one of David Vu's students and I took his Udemy course. If you guys haven't taken it, I really encourage you to get it. It's a really solid course about optimization. Covers some of the same things in this course, but it's different philosophies, right? So first off, Home Depot is, it is dropshipping friendly. Caveats are, there's less competition with Home Depot. It's not as common as a source as Walmart and Amazon. It is still a pretty common source though. That being said, there's no cashback, unfortunately. And also access to gift cards. You can get Home Depot gift cards, not always super easy. It's not as easy to get them as Walmart gift cards or Amazon gift cards. So it's just kind of a different mentality. So let's look at Home Depot because Home Depot what I know about Home Depot is that they have, most of their products are home related, right? Like we're talking like electronics, pots, pans, kitchen stuff for your closet, stuff for your bedroom, stuff for your patio, stuff for your yard, anything that you can buy and put in a house. Home Depot is going to kind of specialize in that. And you can also get a lot of supplies for stuff. One thing I do know about Home Depot is that so the way they display their search results is different. Walmart is just kind of like, it just shows you search results, right? And then even if it doesn't, you can just click show all and skip the category section. Home Depot categorizes their items more. They don't like giving you like, here's a list of 20,000 items that we sell. They're more about like, okay, what did you mean when you search for Halloween, right? We're going to search for Halloween. And then, there's no items yet. We gotta pick on a category. So let's pick, Halloween yard decor. Oh, look at that. So Home Depot presents items to you. They like it when you look through categories. So if you're trying to kind of find a variety of items, it can be a little bit more work just because of the way that Home Depot presents its information to you. But it is quite a profitable source. Like, David Vu still uses it to this day, as far as I know. He teaches people to use Home Depot, but you can literally use any source. You don't have to stick to one. I do just because of the convenience. Like, the most money comes from learning about a whole bunch of different sources, right? So we talked a little bit about navigating Home Depot. We've talked about the kinds of items that they sell, their gift card and cashback status. Let's actually double check. Let's go to Cashbackholic. This is a database of cashback websites. So you can search this in order to see different cashback websites for a specific source, right? So Home Depot. Oh, okay, look at that. So Home Depot apparently has, it does have cashback now. Brilliant. It didn't back when I was using it, which was a while ago. So giving assistant, let's see. Are these links still active? Bum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum bum bum. Sorry about the internet, guys. Whoa, okay. All right, well, you guys can't really see this because it's loading the old school version of the website, but it does have cashback. It does look like Home Depot does currently have 3% cashback, which is great. So obviously, if you look at this website, there's going to be some bigger numbers. These aren't always right, unfortunately. Here we go. Yeah, 3%. Awesome. 3% cashback. Yeah, there we go. So Giving Assistant has 3% cashback for Home Depot, which is awesome. So Home Depot does have cashback. That's great. Okay, but now we've searched for an item. We talked about cashback. So let me tell you some of the issues that I had with Home Depot. So Home Depot doesn't have very quick shipping. Let's take this item as an example. We're going to add this item to our cart. And then we're going to see, actually, instead of adding it to our cart, let's go to it and see if we can get a shipping estimate on the web page itself, right? Here we go. So they have free shipping. I think I don't remember what Home Depot's free shipping threshold is. I believe it's $50. So most of their items above $50 have free shipping, and most of their items under $50 have paid shipping. That being said, you're going to find that there are some items that have a freight shipping charge of $55. So I'll show you that in a second. But today is the 29th. So this is showing an arrival date of October 4th, that's actually not that bad. In my experience, Home Depot tends to ship things and they'll arrive between, like, say I placed an order today, it would arrive between like the 4th and the 7th, right? So this is the typical free shipping experience, right? You could pay more if you wanted to, but it's going to be a lot of money, so you're not really ever going to do that, okay? But what you will find is that some of their items have a really expensive shipping cost. So let's look at sheds, for example. Anytime you have a heavy item, there's often going to be a freight shipping fee. And this is really easy to overlook if you're used to free shipping, right? So like, oh, you know, free shipping, yada, yada. Oh, shipping available. Okay, let's click on this item. $250. All right, sweet. I'm gonna price that, add it to my thing, get some profit. But then we go to ship the item, and look, see shipping options, curbside shipping, $55. All right, AKA freight shipping. Keep in mind, sometimes it's kind of hard to tell with Home Depot. Obviously, like if you know that some of their items cost money, you know, to ship, then you can look out for it. But it's not as simple as, oh, if it's more than $50, then it's free shipping. If it's less than $50, then it's not free shipping. Because that item wasn't free shipping, yet this $1,300 much bigger shed does have free shipping. Kind of odd, right? You really have to pay attention to the shipping speeds here, or the shipping times, okay? So, and the same thing with this shed. You're going to see that this has a $55 shipping fee. Bum-ba-rum. Whoa, a $300 shipping fee? Okay, so much for 50 G's. So yeah, my point here, pay attention to the shipping cost because it's not going to be as predictable as you expect it to be, okay? So we've established Home Depot has less competition. We've established it's a website that you navigate more by by looking at items by category than searchers. Obviously, you can search for stuff. You can always search for things. Like if I wanted a brush, it would come up with some home-related brushes, right? So that was just quick, 5,000 results, brush. Awesome, sweet. And then we can sort it by these things. Can go over here and sort it as well. This is pretty common. Most sources have the ability to filter items out so you can get rid of, everything that's not free shipping to home. All right, cool, that's convenient. But you're going to find that that doesn't always actually get rid of all of them. And also, Home Depot's shipping costs change based on the stock of the item. So you'll find that when you post an item, it may have free shipping. But then their warehouses run low or whatever it is, and then you go to sell the item because you made a sale for it, and then suddenly it's like, oh, this is either in-store pickup only or it has a shipping charge now. What the hell? It didn't used to. So just pay attention to that. I think the biggest issue I had with Home Depot was the shipping fluctuations. That being said, they are a source that is okay with drop shipping. Like you can talk to them about drop shipping. They're all right with it. You don't need to shy away or make like stealth accounts or anything like that. And once you've established your account with them, they will treat you well. They're solid and reliable to use as a source. So cool. I think that's about everything. That's all I know, really. I don't really know a whole lot about Home Depot. It's the source I used a lot at the beginning, but yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.